I clicked on Create Invoice from the main menu under Invoices, Receipts. And the way this works is you're going to want to set up your customers first, and then you can select the customer here. So what you would do is go into the customer list and set up the customer's name and address, and whether you're going to email the invoice or send it US mail. And from there you can also choose what content you want to go with the invoice to your customer, and then you can go and create the invoice by selecting the customer, and then you can record the different line items you're going to bill, and once you're through you can send the invoice, and you just confirm that you want it to go to Joe Jones and click yes. And once you do, the invoice will show up in your invoice history, payment status, and when the customer pays you, you can go ahead and click that they have paid. So you would just switch this to paid, and it would change the amount due. And that is it. Thanks for watching.